Hello everyone, Ramadan Kareem to all. May this holy month bless you all with good health, prosperity, and may Allah's blessing always shines upon you all. Today I am preparing spring roll. Here I am also showing you how to prepare spring roll sheets at home and freeze it. So let's start. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it roughly, then add warm water and mix the dough. Dough should be little hard. Knead the dough very well, then only your sheets will turn out good. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and knead it again. The more you knead, the best sheets you will get. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, again knead it for 10 minutes. Now take half dough, cut it into equal size like you take for puris. At a time, take 6 portions. Roll it into small puris. Add enough oil in the top. Should be covered completely with oil. Spread some flour. Do the same process. Do not add oil on the topmost layer. Now slowly roll all together. Flatten it very well and make a large roti. Place a roti on tawa. Turn it in 15 seconds. Spread some oil on the top and again turn it on and put some oil. Keep turning it every 15 seconds. The flame has to be in medium. Keep turning until you see the sheets start separating. Now put on the plate and separate all the sheets. You can see we have got very thin spring roll sheet. You can keep it as such or cut the sides parts. Here I am cutting the sheets into square shapes. Add it in a Ziploc bag. Make sure there is no air inside. Your spring roll sheets are ready. Freeze it for 1 month. Let me show you the fillings of spring roll. I had take 250 grams of chicken and boil it with salt, ginger garlic paste and black pepper powder and shredded it. 1 onion, slice it. 1 capsicum, slice it. 2 carrot, cut it into thin strips. 1/4 cabbage portion, cut it into slice. 6 to 7 green chilies, cut it into slices. Some green onions, chopped. And 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Fry it till it's get golden brown in color. Add onion, fry it. Fry the onions till it get soften. Add green onion, mix it. Green chili, carrot and give a mix. Add capsicum, mix it. Cabbage, mix it and cover the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you seen in the video, it gets softened. Now add salt, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give a mix. And add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Shredded chicken, mix it. The filling is ready. Now for rolling, take spring roll sheets, flour paste and filling. There are 2 ways to fill the sheets. Here is the first method. Add the flour paste to stick. The another method is the cross way. First, separately freeze the rolls to avoid sticking each other. Freeze it for an hour. Now store it in a Ziploc bags or container for a month. Now I am going to fry it. Fry till it gets golden in color. Spring rolls are ready. Do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Reehatkitchen. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.